Stay organized anywhere with OneNote.
Microsoft OneNote makes it simple to access your notes on any device. Whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer, syncing your notes keeps everything at your fingertips. Follow these quick steps to set up seamless note sync and never miss a detail, no matter where you are.
Step 1. Sign in to OneNote on all devices.
Open OneNote on your computer, tablet, and phone. Sign in with the same Microsoft account on each device. Using one account ensures your notes stay linked and up to date, so there's no confusion or missed information between devices.
Step 2. Create or open a notebook.
Start by creating a new notebook or open an existing one stored in the cloud, such as on OneDrive. Storing notebooks in the cloud is key for syncing. Local notebooks won't sync automatically, so be sure your notebooks are saved under OneDrive or your Microsoft account.
Step 3. Enable and check sync settings.
By default, OneNote syncs notes automatically. To check, go to your notebook list, right-click or tap and hold a notebook, and look for Sync Status or Sync Options. On mobile devices, tap the notebook, then the Settings menu to ensure sync is enabled. Manual sync is also available if needed.
Step 4. Access notes anywhere, instantly.
With syncing active, your notes will appear and update across all your devices. Edit a note on your laptop and see the changes on your phone or tablet. If changes are missing, check your internet connection and sync status to troubleshoot quickly.
Take note with confidence.
OneNote syncing makes your notes portable and secure. With these simple steps, your important information is always available, organized, and ready when you need it. Try syncing your devices today and enjoy seamless note-taking wherever you go.